This formula is the only thing that really helps my period cramps. Cramp Aid is a meticulously researched blend of herbs, vitamins, and minerals combined in therapeutic dosages, so you get drug-free but fast-acting period cramp relief. And it's super cute. I struggled for many periods with painful cramps, and I ended up relying on over-the-counter painkillers every single month. I wanted to go natural. I knew they weren't good for my long-term menstrual health, but none of the natural options, teas, oils, homeopathic remedies, none of them actually stopped my period cramps. Cramp Aid combines all the most powerful natural ingredients that have been shown in clinical studies to specifically fight menstrual pain and inflammation. These little guys are powerful. If you're struggling with period cramps, give it a try. Give yourself some natural and nourishing relief.